this is the elna 2004 SP, and these are all the stitch, and this is the stitch length, and this is width, and this is reverse button. It's bobbin winder, and these are spools. And when we want to thread in, it should be there, then down, up in this knob, and then down again, and then it should be in the needle. I can do it down. For the bobbin, when the bobbin is okay, so this is the bobbin, and we put it there, and then in this notch, it's in, and it's not getting down, so it's all right. And when we inserting, check the sound of click. It's in. Do it up, and then we can turn this wheel for catching that down thread. Okay, the thread is up. And now it's ready to sew.